Welcome back. We're going to take a look at Dogecoin coming in at number 8. So Dogecoin is the star, the cryptocurrency star of the week. We rose almost more than 100%. So yeah, could we have traded this? It's a little bit controversial in the sense that we didn't know if there was going to be a break or not. So we knew that Elon Musk was going to take over Twitter, but we didn't know that it was going to affect Dogecoin that much. In terms of chart patterns for Dogecoin against BTC, could we have seen it? No, I could not have seen it. We have been moving down, the falling channel, very slowly falling, and after that we've been moving sideways. We've been sideways for 60 days, and things have been so quiet, right? Even for Doge against BTC as well, we were moving sideways, and I did mention in the videos that usually when a bear trend ends, we will go sideways for a while before going back up. So this is apparently the sideways, right? We were curving, and then suddenly, boom, blast off. A blast came, and Dogecoin, just blasted its way towards the upside. We were hoping for something like that, but yeah, this is the power of a community behind the coin, right? Driven by community. Were there any chart patterns here? You could argue that this is maybe an inverse head and shoulders kind of a chart pattern, right? And then we broke out of it. You could argue that again, even at the same time, you could argue that this is a symmetrical triangle of sorts, and then we kind of broke out from it. So yeah, again, in terms of trading Doge against BTC, it's a little bit difficult. If you were to ask me, it's a little bit difficult. But anyway, we're already above the skinny pink line. So if anything, our bias have switched bullish towards the upside. So if anything, we're expecting a continuation chart pattern to form as we head higher. I don't think we're done yet. If anything, this could be a wave 1. Wave 2, that's why wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So we're expecting a wave 4 to form. Hopefully we can take a trade for a wave 5, right? As wave 5 comes, I'm not too sure how long wave 5 is going to be, but hopefully we could take a trade for wave 5 in palm out trading, ladies and gentlemen. So if anything, we're still a long way off from the skinny pink line, so there's still some more wiggle room towards the downside. So be very careful about going to a trade too soon for Doge BTC. Doge USDT paints the same picture. We are above the skinny pink line, but Doge BTC is much more bullish compared to Doge USD because we're very close to the skinny pink line. We can just as well start plunging lower for Doge against USDT, and we could go back under the skinny pink line. I hope not, but yeah, the potential is still there. Anyway, the 0.037 target is now invalidated. So if anything, Dogecoin is going back up, and I don't think we're coming back down anymore. So this is what do you call as an invalidated target. Ta-da! We've already broken the falling channel convincingly, and I don't think we're coming back down. Not really sure. Maybe not, but I don't think so. This is a very convincing move to me. So yeah, if anything, I'll be expecting more upside for Doge against USDT. The good thing about Doge against USDT is that this is just wave 1. There will be a wave 2. Hopefully wave 2 is above the skinny pink line. Hopefully we stay above the skinny pink line for a wave 2. And then the boys and I in Patron, hopefully we could take a trade for wave 3. Hopefully we could catch a wave 4 and a 5 as well. So in, out. That's trading, ladies and gentlemen. We always secure our profits because you never know when things might go wrong, and things go wrong all the time. Murphy's Law states that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. But yeah, if anything, we're already switching bullish for Dogecoin, so more upside is to be expected at this point of time. But of course, you have to be very careful of your entries, and you have to be very patient, and you have to be watching it day after day, week after week, month after month. Sometimes it might take some time before we see something of a high quality, right? But we are largely already bullish for Dogecoin, and we're expecting more upside. So yeah, apparently this was actually something like a symmetrical triangle, something like that. Not exactly, but something like that. But I didn't trade this. I could not trade this. The reason why I could not trade this is it just came suddenly, right? Normally we would look for a proper consolidation, right? An A, B, C, D, E kind of a chart pattern before we break higher, right? But this is just so sudden. Pew! And how do you trade this? Yeah, you just can't. You just can't. You could, if you see, we were saying that we were moving sideways for 60 days, right? And we are aware that potentially this could be an ABCDE kind of a chart pattern. Sometimes when things are really truly bullish, you don't get a wave E, right? It just pump out. It's just a 3-wave move. 1, 2, 3, pump, we're out. And this is a very good example of a 3-wave move. But it's not as easy to trade this. I mean, you could trade it and you could put an entry over here, maybe a stop loss over here, then you take a trade up. But yes, it's just it's not so easy. Yeah. So, but anyway, we are hoping to catch the next big wave up. Right, there's still a long way to go before we hit all-time high. Where are we right now? 11 cents, right? 11 cents to all-time high, which is at 69 cents. It's another 500%. So we hope to be able to capitalize on the next impulsive move that comes in for Doge against USDT. And the next impulsive move will very likely be a wave 3. And wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest, right? We're expecting it to be longer than this. We'll see how it goes, right? We'll have to take things one step at a time. And yeah, there you go. I think that's our TA for Dogecoin. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!